To access free topic sheets, worksheets, or to book an online class, visit ilearneasy.co.uk. There are 5 vowels in English. A, E, I, O, U. Each vowel has a short vowel sound and a long vowel sound. The vowel A has a short A sound and a long A sound. The sound the vowel makes in a word depends on the letter combinations. First, let's look at the short A sound. Cat, tap, bag, pan, map, camel, hammer, hat, pad, van, fan, rat, ladder, rabbit. In these examples, the vowel A makes the short vowel sound, A. The long vowel sound A is made with different letter combinations. This includes A consonant E spelling, AI, AY, EI, EA, EY, and EIGH. Let's go through each type. Apron, alien, cake, snake, cane, paint, snail, sail, hay, pay, vein, steak, they, wait. The vowel E makes a short E sound and a long E sound. The sound the vowel makes will depend on the letter combinations in the word. First, let's look at the short E sound. Net, pen, ten, hen, pet, egg, pencil, cell, check, end, jelly, leg, neck. When. The long vowel sound E is made with different letter combinations. This includes E consonant E spelling, EE, EA, EI, IE, Y, and EY. Now let's look at an example of each. She, Jean, peace, niece, feet, tree, 3, bean, peach, receipt, chief, baby, happy, money, The vowel I makes a short I sound and a long I sound. The sound the vowel makes depends on the letter combination in the word. First, let's look at the short I vowel sound. Bin, 6, pin, kid, twig, bib, drink, mix, fig, lid, pig, grin, stick, drill. The long vowel I sound is made with different letter combinations. This includes I consonant E spelling IE, IGH, Y, and Y consonant E. Now let's look at some examples of each. Lion, iron, pilot, bike, 5, pie, tie, fried, light, night, fly, cry, type, time. The vowel O can make a short O sound and a long O sound. The sound the vowel makes in a word will depend on the letter combinations in the word. First, let's look at the short O vowel sound. Dog, pot, fox, dot, frog, block, clock, log, box, hot, hop, stop, otter, octopus. The long O vowel sound is made with different letter combinations. This includes O, O consonant E spelling OA, OW, and OE. Now let's look at some examples of each. No, old, cold, post, home, rope, stone, boat, coat, soap, bow, slow, crow, toe. The vowel U can make a short A sound and a long U or oo sound. The sound the vowel makes in a word will depend on the letter combinations in the word. First, let's look at the short A vowel sound. Sun, cup, bud, nut, bug, cub, bus, cut, jug, mud, hug, truck, jump, duck. The long U vowel sound can either be a U sound or an U sound depending on the letter combinations. The long U sound is made with the letters U, U consonant E, UE, EU, and EW. For example, music, human, cube, mule, argue, Europe, few. The long U vowel sound is made with the letter combinations U, U consonant E, UE, UI, EW, OO, and OU. For example, student, flute, blue, juice, chew, moon, soup.